Class 4th English Reader. Today we will learn the poem The Ant and the Cricket. So we will start. Read this poem about hard-working ant and fun-loving cricket. The cricket pays for his laziness and has to beg while the ant lives a life of a self-respect. This is all about hard work. We must hard work for our survival also, for our self-respect also. Let's see what the poem sings about the hard work. A silly young cricket, accustomed to sing through the warm sunny months of gay summer and spring, began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Here accustomed means used to. A cricket is used to sing a song all the time, whether it was a warm sunny month of gay summer or a spring, whatever the season that belongs, but he used to sing. Not a crumb to be found on the snow-covered ground, not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. Oh, what will become, says the cricket, of me? At last my starvation and famine made bold, all dripping with the wet and all trembling with the cold. Away he set off to a miserly ant. That time whenever the winter has to come, all the insects or birds migrate from their places or go back to their places and store many foods to live to hold the season at home peacefully, and that before that they have to hard work to collect all the foods and materials that whatever they want to be in their houses. But cricket is very silly. He is not hard working for that period of the season. He just singing a song. It just used to sing a song, never used to store the foods for the future, not used to hard work for the future. When the cold come, when the winter came, he starved badly, and he comes to the point of famine, but he doesn't make any kind of sense of hard working by himself. To see if to keep him alive he would grant him shelter from rain, a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow, he would repay it tomorrow. He always used to borrow all the foods and materials or shelter from the ant, that making very hard for him. If not helped, he must die of starvation and sorrow. If anyone not helping him, he will die. Says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend, but we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. He said that to the cricket that we are ants. We live that kind of proud that we never borrow anything, we never lend anything. Pray tell me, dear sir, did you lay nothing by when the weather was warm? Quoth the cricket, not I. Here's a quoth means said. My heart was so light that I sang day and night, for all nature looked gay. You sang, sir, you say. Go then, said the ant, and sing winter away. Thus ending he hastily means carelessly with great speed, lifted the wicket and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Folks call this a fable. I will warrant it true. Some crickets have 4 legs and some have 2. So this kind of poem telling about that we have to work hard for our survival. We must take care of ourselves. We must take care of others, and never lend or not make any kind of situation of lending anything or borrow for anything. That's all about the poem. There is a word meaning here. We have to learn it. So that's the work from this poem. We have to learn it. Thank you.